Now, how many people here kind of keep their ear to the ground with offers? With offers. Let me know inside the chat. My Zoom is terrible. With offers that are coming out. I do says, yeah. Hello, Abdulio. Hope you well. I do. So, new offers come out, guys. I'm going to let you know a little secret. Let's share that. Okay, I do as well. I know what offers are coming out. I know when they're coming out. Um, we schedule a way ahead, so we know what exciting things are coming out when. Okay, now the important thing, okay, is the angle. Okay, we're gonna run through this. This is important. So it's important you understand this, guys. Okay, it's really important because we've got some amazing angles. Okay, amazing angles, and it's the angles that sell the thing. It's not the product. It's not the um commissions that pays that. It's the angle what wins. Okay, so give me some names. Yeah, Zoom's okay. It goes funny on my screen sometimes. That's all. Give me some names of products, and I'll tell you the angles that's just launched, or that has launched, or that's launching in the future. Give me a name. So Leonard says OfferLab. There we go. So the big thing there, all OfferLab is, guys. Okay, all it is an affiliate network. That's all it is. Okay, it's just another affiliate network. Okay, um, and how do I best explain this? Okay, if you know sales, okay, what OfferLab is, I'll explain it, and then I'll explain the angle. What OfferLab is, and I'll be open with you. Okay, OfferLab is like Franken funnels. Okay, I know as a marketer. Okay, a funnel looks like this. It's all to do with hype, guys. Really, it's all hype and angles. Okay, so the front end of a product should solve the angle, okay, and create a new problem which this OTO1 solves, okay, and then OTO3 solves. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? Let me know that makes sense. You got the angle, which the front end solves. The front end creates another problem that the OTO1 solves. This creates another problem that the OTO3 solves, okay? All whilst building trust, no like and trust for the person promoting it, okay? So what people will do, they'll have completely different offers in a funnel with completely different authorities and stuff, and I can't see how that's going to work for me personally, okay? But what it does, it allows the Russell to sell OfferLab, okay? Because it's to do with the angle. What is the angle? The angle is, instead of fighting each other, we collab. And that's what people cotton onto. You can collab. Imagine promoting a funnel from the best marketers in the world. If you don't understand marketing and sales, you think it's fantastic. All right. It is, I mean, Russell's fantastic, but you look behind what the angle is, what they're actually doing, not at what they are showing you. Make sense? Exactly. And OfferLab is a good place to target people because what OfferLab, I'm delving a bit deep here, but you know what I'm like. Okay. If you want me to delve this deep, it's up to you guys. But it's all good learning because you're going to understand Markson. Okay. Yeah, like income engine there. I work heavily on angles, and this is important for promoting the bonus and the buzz. Okay. Okay. Really important. So if you think of like people are like, I earn $5 million with this offer. That doesn't matter, guys, because they're influencers and they've got an audience, which I teach you guys to build. Okay. That's why they can earn $5 million. So people look at it, wow, this new offer's amazing. They join it, they earn nothing because they haven't learned the skills. This is why I teach you the skills. You see all the, when you understand the rules of the game, you can flip them around, you can play them. Really awesome stuff. Okay. Um, okay, so this is it, guys. What angle could I use to target affiliate marketers for team builders on OfferLab? Exactly. Okay. Wow, that's a brilliant question. I don't know if we're going to go that deep on this, but people in OfferLab who do not learn the skills, okay, who don't want to learn skills, don't want to learn what we teach, for example, okay, they'll come up with pains pretty quickly. They won't be making sales, okay, and they will come up with reasons they're not making sales. And we tell them the thing that solves that. And again, I don't sugarcoat stuff, guys. I teach you the way it is. I know a lot of people don't like hearing it, especially if you're new to us, but we teach you the way it really is, unlike everyone else. Okay. So that's what you watch the market, you'll see what the people are doing. Okay. The reasons the gurus promote it, the big affiliates, I'm not promoting it. I'm not promoting any of the three big launches at the minute. Okay. The reason they promote it is because they will be the top of the leaderboard and they will absorb the audience, some part of the audience that attends everything. They'll see the name at the top of the leaderboard. It's an ego thing. People look at the leaderboard. Well, this guy knows what he's done. I need to pay him to help me. Okay, that's how it works. Okay, pretty cool. I'm not putting the offers in OfferLab. For my own reasons, I'm just not putting them. It doesn't mean I don't know how it works. I haven't looked at the intricacies of it. You can, like, if you're allowed to put team builders, you can if you want, but I don't think you can. I think you have to own it. Maybe I'm just getting grumpy and old, but I stay in my lane, if that makes sense. I know what I'm doing. I know what makes the money. I'm staying and in my lane. I don't want to promote other big biz op things. I want to promote things that help you. It's a way to think. Okay. And again, OfferLab in 6 months, you won't hear about it. Okay. It's the buzz, the new shiny object that everyone's going to buy. Okay. How do you find out big launches? Oh, Nick, we're going to take this on a tangent because I want to help people with the setup as well. I have my kind of ear to the ground. That's the way I do it. There is a website called MunchEye you can look on. There's another one called OfferVault, but for launches, MunchEye is much better. Also being on their lists. Okay, also be on their list. So MunchEye is pretty good. It is the best one for our kind of niche. Okay, it's kind of the best one. And if you look on there, let's show you MunchEye quick. My team look on this quite a lot. There's Russell. Okay, it tells you what's coming up. So you can actually, if you launch Jack, and you can look what's coming up. Okay, these are the big launches. These are the big names. Okay, you'll actually see here us. And these are the kind of smaller names in the industry. It's a good little website. Okay, you'll see Abby, top person on JVZ. Ryan, I know him personally. Lovely guy, Ryan. Amazing. Look, Firas, I work quite well with Firas. You'll see Todd Gross, brilliant.